tantrums and crying moments of Ada Stella. You're eating my chips. Ay, hindi ka na beautiful. Ay, hindi na beautiful yan. Look your lips, oh, not beautiful. Ay, you're still beautiful?
No!
You're beautiful, right?
No! My lips.
Look, very beautiful.
No! No!
Masakit. Wag.
Sorry!
Naramdaman niya ata kayo. O, finish na.
Sorry!
You already eat? You eat the seed? Huh? Oh, no. Oh, no, there will be watermelon on your tummy. No, I'm just joking. No, joke lang. You don't like that?